We guide you through how to fix iMessage not working on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Then go to your settings, message and toggle iMessage off and back on to refresh the service. Next, check that your send and receive settings have your correct Apple ID and phone numbers selected. If that doesn't work, sign out of your Apple ID under Settings, Messages, Send and Receive, restart your iPhone, and sign back in for persistent issues. Ensure your iOS is updated by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. If iMessage still fails, reset your network settings under Settings, General, Reset, Reset Network Settings, which will remove save Wi-Fi password but often fixes connectivity glitches. And finally, after all these steps, test by sending a message to another iPhone to confirm it works. By following these steps, quick action should resolve most iMessage problems and get your messaging running smoothly again.